halfway through our trip from Half Moon Bay to Santa Cruz. We're about 5 miles offshore, and a big old whale out there thumping his tail over and over and over again. He's having a good time. Check that out. That guy's going nuts. Froggy, overcast day for pretty sweet downwind sailing. There's our captain. Awful pretty out here.
Our wind's picking up too.
There's our captains, bravely steering us through sustained 22-knot winds, 5 to 6 foot seas, tossing the rear end around, doing it like a champ. Santa Cruz is right up there.
Started off this morning in Half Moon Bay. Cold as all bleep bleep bleep. And now we made it to Santa Cruz and we couldn't get our clothes off fast enough. Super fun.
Santa Cruz. Sunshine.